in South Vietnam. And today I would like to show you the milking and cleaning process in dairy farm. Oh, sorry. There are two types of milking system, display and carousel. And there are two needs during the milking process. First, milking machines. Teeth, leaf cup, towel, basket, and pressure washer. Start the milking system. First, we need to connect the milk hose to the milk tank. The next, replace the filter and storage system. We push cow into the system, and when we push cow, remember, let the cow work by themselves. Don't make any sound. Use tongue up. Use high tongue. If the cow is looking around, let her have a look. Start farming directly, and only the person in the waiting area is pushing the cows. And how to milk a cow? First, farming using foam cleaner to help clean teeth easily. And the next is cleaning teeth with a towel. This helps remove any dirt or bacteria. Next, stripping teeth to check the milk quality and encourage milk to flow. And activating the milking machine to leave the milking machine on for 5 to 7 minutes. When the cow's milk is empty, the machine automatically out of the teeth. And finally, dipping teeth with disinfectant to prevent infection and bacteria. When finished, let them out and then milk the next line. The red strap cow needs to be moved into the buckets because this cow is under treatment, so that we can distinguish the type of milk of normal cows and cows of disease. And the next is cleaning process. When finished, when finished, a milking strip, wash the milking system by pressure washer. This helps wash away large amount of dust during milking and water and equipment after use. And there are the tool and equipment need to cleaning process. We tidy up, dip up basket and towel. And when cleaning, we need to glove, boot, and washing hand after cleaning. After cleaning, store in a clean place. And that's all about my presentation. Thank you for listening.